Okay, just got back from Aldi. So this is my Aldi haul. And you can see on this side of the island, I do have some special Aldi finds that I did purchase because it is the holiday season and I can't help myself. So let's talk about the budget. I like to plan $150 for groceries. I went over because of these Aldi finds. This was about $55 of different items that are not food related. So that's about $55 and I spent a total of $154. So about $100 in groceries. So I'm going to share that now. Now the other thing I do have to add is there is a Walmart order also coming. So we might bust the budget of $150, but there's some reasons and we're going to get into that when I share some of these specialty meat items. And then I'll also share those Aldi finds. So let's get into it and then I'll share the menu for the week. All right, I got some fresh cilantro, more Brussels sprouts. These are on sale for $1.99. I love Brussels sprouts, especially fresh. So got another package. We are enjoying just some snacking cucumbers. I like these. They are crispier and they're just, I just like them better than the regular cucumbers and they seem to last a little bit longer. All right, and then broccoli. We always have to have broccoli. So I got the 2-crown package of broccoli. I wanted something a little different, so I picked up a bag of chopped kale. I was thinking about roasting it, maybe in the air fryer. I was also thinking about for a soup, you know, and then our Instant Pot with some cream is so good. So thinking about that. Also some baby Bella mushrooms could go good with a kale stir fry. So a couple of things I had in mind purchasing that kale. 2 avocados because they were 65 cents or 68 cents, one or the other. And then did hit up the charcuterie little section, and these are new. This is a new item. These are seeded crackers with brown rice, quinoa, flax, and sesame seeds. Thought they'd be great, a little different for the holiday spreads. Went ahead and got some egg rolls. Okay, I was influenced by somebody saying these were so good in the air fryer, and I thought, you know what? They popped out at me as soon as you get into the Aldi store, right there to the left, and grab me a package. So gonna enjoy those as a side. Now here's some specialty meats. I had not seen this. I wasn't going there for this, but it caught my eye because it's a Frenched pork rack roast. Different. I just thought it was kind of different. I thought we could season this up, roast it really well, high heat, get a good sear on it, kind of like I do my ribeye roast, and thought just for something different around this time of the year. So grab that. Can't wait to try that out. And then some other meat items. I did get this thin slice sirloin tip steak, and that's really for my husband and son to just whip up some protein for their meals for the week. And then over here, I did get the everything seasoning sourdough bread. This is so good to make paninis with. Oh my gosh, just some turkey and cheese, which I actually have here. I actually have the oven roasted turkey, didn't even mean to, and Swiss cheese slices. But that makes such a great panini with a little mayo and you're good to go. But love that bread. All right, this I'm going to have to convince my family, so I'm going to have to come up with a recipe that they're going to enjoy because they don't love chicken legs. But I got to tell you, for this price, what is this, 69 cents? Let me zoom in there. It is 89 cents. 89 cents a pound for some protein. You can't beat it. So I'm thinking a crock pot meal, an Instant Pot. I'm going to think of something, and maybe if I could roast it really, really well, get that skin crispy, maybe I can reel them back into chicken legs. We'll see. We're going to try. Okay, 2 pounds of the Wagyu. This has my son's name all over it. He's a big Wagyu kind of guy. Wagyu ground beef, 100% Wagyu. Not had that before, so curious to see if we notice the taste, but 2 packages of that. Okay, thinking about my air fryer. I have a rotisserie setting on my air fryer, and this is the perfect little size of a chicken, whole young chicken, to just rotisserie that, get a great crispy crust, as I was mentioning, like with the the chicken legs. But this is just a great meal to make in that air fryer, and then have all that chicken for other meals. So we're gonna try that. Okay, this was a splurge. This is the skinless Chilean sea bass. I kind of was going, knowing it was there, wild caught, love that. It's pricey, not gonna kid you, and you only get 2 fillets, but it's such a high quality and it's fresh. Well, of course, I meant it is wild caught is what I meant. And you just can't can't pass it up. So I didn't, and I got me a package of that. Smoked salmon, some feta, just the crumbles, throw in some salads. I mentioned the Swiss cheese and the turkey. This was new to me. I checked the ingredients because we're always looking for added sugars. They use actually agave nectar in here, no added sugar other than that. And it's a lemon lime hot sauce, and we're big on hot sauce. So I thought I'd try that. Hey, what about that with these little chicken legs? Maybe that's how I can get them with the buffalo sauce, the little, yeah. All right, so thinking as I'm going. Okay, here we got the Aldi Finds. So I could not pass this up. I love giving plants as gifts. I think they make the greatest gifts. This one with these beautiful white flowers. They also had this in pink, or was it red? It was a vibrant color. It might have been red. I just love this. I think it's so cute. All right, and then other plants. I'm a big promoter of the holiday cactus, the Christmas cactus, these vibrant, I've showed you this in my Aldi haul before. Love these plants. They're only $5. They make fantastic gifts. And if they are the way mine is, they will last years and years. Mine's lasted over 15 years. So love that as a gift. All right, I splurged. I got myself a pair of flannel pajamas. One of the things I do is buy pajamas for us as a gift for Christmas. We open them on Christmas Eve, but it is this two-piece, this plaid pattern, and it has like this gold thread to make it a little more holiday-ish. Super cute. This, I spotted these holiday bows. I just love how easy that is to throw on a gift, and it just dresses it up. But I really love these tiny little blue bows. They're so cute. And there's even a happy birthday bow in there. So not just for the holidays, a whole total, well, not just for Christmas, but a total holiday themed here for your gift giving. Love that. Heck, you could just throw one of these bows right here on that. Give it as a gift. All right, I always need some Scotch tape, and then they have the 3-pack. Okay, here is something I saw a while back in their flyer. Wasn't sure if I would like it or not, but when I got to it, it just seems so different and unique. Check those out. They have this fur lined. It's not my size, it's one size bigger, but I thought with your fuzzy socks and your thicker socks, I love the sole on this because it's a thicker sole, giving me some height. I love the color. It's this gray. They had lots of size 8s. They also had another style. It was like a brown boot, a little higher. But I really thought these were kind of cute and different. So splurge for me. Anyway, that's our Aldi haul. We do have a small Walmart haul coming. I'll add it to this video as well as the recipes for the week. Our Walmart order was just delivered. I'm going to go through what we purchased here and then share the amount so you know all the totals and to see if we went over. So let's just go through the things I bought. 1 sweet potato. This thing is huge. Look at my hand compared to the sweet potato. Huge. All right, 1 sweet potato, 1 green pepper, a bag of fresh spinach, 2 bags of cauliflower. You know we got to have our frozen cauliflower. My husband loves to make that mashed cauliflower. 18 eggs, 3 more peppers, but the orange and the yellow, 1 cucumber, 1 zucchini, a ranch packet, ranch seasoning, some pastrami deli meat, some heavy whipping cream for coffee drinks, and more protein, lean turkey sausages, the sweet Italian. Thought this would be great with those peppers and onions and make a great sheet pan meal. And then more protein, I got, this time frozen, chicken breast tenderloins. We always get the fresh package, but I thought, let's get a whole bag of frozen so they don't go bad. I can keep them anytime, portion out how many I need and want. And I have a certain recipe. I love to make a quick meal. It's called chicken nuggets. I take all the chip bits from all the leftover chips. We have all the chip crumbs. Use that as the breading. It's so good. And I use that ranch packet seasoning. So see that in a video soon. Here's some condiments and just some things we needed to stock back up on. Sweet cherry peppers. Husband loves those. And this goes with the pastrami. This is sugar-free Thousand Island. I've been craving some type of Reuben. So the pastrami and Thousand Island along with sauerkraut. So really craving those Reuben flavors. Garlic Parmesan for our popcorn. That's popcorn seasoning. Needed more poultry seasoning. Ran out around Thanksgiving. Have more of that. And then this is new to me, Kinder's roast chicken. I saw this with the garlic and the herb, and we have that whole chicken, so I thought that'd be great to sprinkle on there and roast at the rotisserie in the air fryer. All right, I got some more collagen peptides, the vital proteins, trying to put that in my coffee again to ramp up the protein and the collagen. And here is more protein, but this flavor I've never seen before, and this is the cinnamon roll flavor. That just sounded so yummy. So 4-pack of that. Up the protein. That is a very small haul from Walmart. This all came to $90, and the reason for the high cost is these two items right here, which together are $30. But I'm going to include them in the food budget. They are part of the protein, so I'm going to include them, which means if you add the 100 from Aldi and the 90 here, we did go about $40 over budget, which that explains that. But we have a bunch of things that are going to carry us on into the next week, so we can cut back next week on the budget. All right, let's get into the whiteboard and what we have planned for the menu and the meals for the week. Okay, our meals planned for this week. I do have some leftover chicken thighs that are in the refrigerator. We're gonna make something with like enchilada sauce, or I also have salsa verde. So some kind of Mexican flavor chicken thighs. Then we also have that sable fish last time from Aldi, and then I just bought that sea bass. So we're gonna combine those because that will give us enough fish for everybody. And I'm probably gonna pair that with some zucchini or some other vegetable. Chicken legs, I'm thinking with that lime buffalo sauce. Pork tenderloin with the sweet potatoes and kale and sausages with some onions and peppers, thinking that sheet pan meal. And then Sunday we do have a holiday party to go to, so probably won't be cooking that day. And then we do have that whole roasted chicken to put in the air fryer on rotisserie setting, and I'll probably serve that with the Brussels sprouts. All right, for lunches, we have that Wagyu beef, thin sirloins, and the chicken tenders to use up. And then, speaking of use up, I have some flatbread, so to make some flatbread pizzas, and we still have a little bit of ham and turkey left over. We don't have any events this week, which is why I did also stock up on a lot of protein and trying to make more meals for the week. Here is a picture of my receipt from Aldi. If you want to see all the prices, you could take a screenshot and see all those. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.